Today topic is yesterday we discussed about good morning Amma. Yesterday we discussed about the Kelvin scale of temperature. Okay. So today topic is entropy. Entropy is very important. So and it is a long question. It is also long question Amma. So entropy means so the definition of the entropy. So entropy is a one of the physical quantity in thermodynamics. So entropy is nothing but it is tells up in generally it is tells about the disorderness of the system is said to be entropy. Okay. For example, entropy is represented by S. For example, suppose water, liquid, okay, and a solid. What is the difference between them? So in the solid, the atoms are arranged with the small distances and which is tightly bounded. Yes or no? So in the water, the molecules are okay, which are okay. The space between them is okay very high compared with the solid. So that means so here the atoms are bounded okay bounded in the solid. So that means okay it is atoms are okay arranged okay in a order. Okay, that means orderness is high. So, but so in case of water or in case of a liquid or gases, so in that situation, so the atoms or molecules of which are spaced with the long distances. That means the disorderness is okay. Disorderness is high compared with the solid. Understood? So that is entropy. Entropy is nothing but in generally. So it is the one of the property thermal property like as temperature heat like as entropy is also one of the property so which is represented by S and so this thermal property remains constant okay remains constant when okay it is transfer in the okay in the process of adiabatic process that means so I'll explain with a video okay overall entropy means the disorderness of the disorderness of the system is said to be entropy. Okay, so give the answer. So in solid or okay in liquid okay, which is order which is arranged in orderly, which one, solid or liquid? Hello girls, reply to me. Which is okay, the atoms are arranged okay, which one is regularly? Girls, liquid or solid? Solid. Okay, solid. So that means solid. So that means so entropy means okay that is indicates that the disorderness of the system. Okay, that means in the solid the entropy is less than in the liquid. Understood. So that is the general okay that is general concept of entropy. Now so we'll discuss with uh, derivation. Mm. Kavita, it this now. ఆ చైర్ ఇటు తీసుకురామా no? No. So our topic is entropy. Entropy. So entropy is the which is girls. So entropy. Entropy means okay, it is the one of the thermal property. Okay, thermal property of a body. so which remains constant along heat during the adiabatic process is known as entropy. So entropy means, okay, it is the one of the thermal property which is represented by S. So the formula for the entropy ds is, that is the change in entropy, so is equal to dq by T, or okay, entropy is equal to Q by T. Okay, so that means, okay, it is the one of the thermal property. In that thermal property, so if the heat is transferred, okay, when heat is transferred in adiabatic process, in adiabatic process, adiabatic process, so that is q by t is remains constant. Okay, so that means when, so this is the S is a thermal property, these properties remains constant in the adiabatic process. Okay, you know that about the adiabatic process. Okay, now so we will show that, so that is q by t is, okay, q by t is the, that is entropy is constant, entropy is constant in adiabatic process. Okay, so what is mean by entropy? Entropy is a thermal property of a body which is remains constant, so along the heat during the adiabatic process is known as entropy. So and also it can be defined as, okay, simply as the disorderness in the environment is also said to be the entropy. Now, so that is entropy is represented by S, and okay, it is the formula is Q by T. This Q by T is remains constant in the adiabatic process. Now we will show that, that is Q by T is constant in the adiabatic process. So let us consider, okay, so here let us consider two adiabatic process, that is A and B. Okay, here A and B are the two systems, okay, which are in adiabatic, and so let us consider three isothermal temperatures. Okay, let us consider three isothermal temperature, that is T1, T1, T2, T3. So these three are adiabatic temperatures, and okay, like this. And here let us consider, so this is the small a, small b, small c, small d. Next let us consider, this is uh, E, F. Okay, let us consider here small a, b, c, d. This is A. So here T1, T2. Okay, T1, T2 are the isothermal process. Okay, these two are indicates that isothermal process. T1, T2, T3. These are indicates that isothermal process. And here this is A and B are indicate that adiabatic process. So in intermediate we learn, you learn about the Carnot engine. In that Carnot engine, okay, there is a, so here A, okay, like that. Okay, this figure I draw here with clearly, that is A B C D. Okay, let us consider this is a reversible process, reversible process. Let us consider here, so AB, okay, at the, okay, let us consider a system, okay, which is observe the heat energy Q1. Let us consider, so observe the heat energy Q1, and so when the heat is flows, okay, from A to B, so this is consider, so let us consider, this is the, this is the isothermal expansion. This is the isothermal expansion. Okay, let us consider here a system, okay, which is between the uh, uh, a, a system between A and B is, it is the one of the process. Let us consider, okay, it is at the Q1. Okay, it is the temperature is, T1. So when, okay, the heat is absorbed from the system. Okay, So this heat is okay flows from A to B. So let us consider okay this process is called as isothermal expansion. Like this, okay, isothermal expansion means okay we already discussed that. Okay, suppose so when some amount of gas is taken in a container, suppose okay when the gas is expand, so when the gas is expand, this piston is moves outward direction. So this is the isothermal process means okay which is made by the okay this conductor is made by the okay conductor of heat. When the gas is expand, this piston is moves outward direction. That means moves outward direction means, so when the okay, when it is gas is expands, its temperature is increases. So here temperature okay here gas is expands means volume is increases and temperature is decreases. That means, so to maintain the temperature constant, so so the system is absorbs the some heat energy and it maintain the constant whatever the decreasing temperature, so it is absorbed by the surroundings, then will be becomes constant. Like that here also this is the isothermal expansion. So that okay the process from A to B, here A to B is nothing but expansion. So that is a isothermal expansion means okay here the gas is expand from A to B. So this is called as isothermal expansion. Okay, in this so heat energy is okay, there is a temperature is constant, temperature is remains constant. That means here some amount of heat okay which is absorbed and okay it can be transferred to uh, this point, and that heat energy is Q1 and a temperature is T1. Okay, that means okay here change in entropy becomes Q1 by T1 because of here the process is done. So between okay heat is observed from the surroundings. Okay, heat is observed from the surroundings, that is Q1, and okay this process is done at the T1 temperatures. That one okay that's why. So AB process is okay that is isothermal expansion. Okay here so the here S1 is nothing but that is change in entropy here Q1 by T1 according to definition of entropy. Now let us again second process is this here temperature is T1 and observed heat is Q1. So that heat is okay. Now second process is, let us consider adiabatic. Okay, adiabatic expansion. Okay, in that adiabatic expansion, so there is a in adiabatic process okay there is a Q is constant. Understood? Yesterday we discussed that adiabatic process, in that process there is no change in heat energy. There is no change in heat energy, but so T is transferred to the temperature is changing from T1 to T2. Temperature is changes to T1 to T2, but so there is no transformation of heat is done because of in adiabatic process. Okay, there is a heat cannot be transferred. We know that. Okay, that's why here Q is constant. Q is a constant. So that's why. So in adiabatic process there is a no change. Okay, entropy is a change in entropy becomes zero. Okay, here BC process. Okay, BC process is adiabatic expansion. Adiabatic expansion. So in that adiabatic expansion, so there is entropy there is no change. Okay, no change in entropy. So ds is zero because of okay there is heat cannot be transferred. Okay, so that's why in adiabatic compression okay expansion there is no change in heat energy. Again let us consider. Okay, here let us consider. So again so the BC process is completed. Okay, there is no change in temperature, that is ds is zero. Again so in CD process okay it is the isothermal compression. It is the isothermal compression process. That means okay in that so here temperature is okay here. Okay, and then the heat energy okay here isothermal compression means, so here whatever the heat is remains there okay up to here Q1 temperature, Q1 heat is there. So that heat energy okay it is the compression means, so that is it is some amount of heat is given to system. Hello, hello. Here, CD process is that is isothermal compression. Girls, are you here? Okay. So here CD is a isothermal compression. Isothermal compression. In isothermal compression, same like as so in isothermal expansion, okay, the heat is absorbed from the surroundings. Here, so whatever the Q1 temperature is given to the system, then okay, so that temperature is okay, that heat energy is okay, okay in isothermal compression. So that is work is then working substances rejects its temperature to Q2. Okay, that means here whatever the heat energy which is rejected to the surroundings, okay, that heat energy is considered as Q2. So and that temperature is now it is at the temperature is T2 because of it is at the T2 temperature. It is at the T2 temperature. Yes, did you understand? First, so this is the isothermal expansion. In isothermal expansion, it is absorbs the Q1 temperature, so the Q1 heat energy and the temperature is T1. So second, this is the BC is the adiabatic process. In that adiabatic process, there is no change in heat. So that's why temperature is only changes to T1 to T2. And so again, okay, this is the CD is the isothermal process, isothermal compression. So that's why this is the compression process. That's why so it okay, some amount of heat is rejected. Okay, so that is okay. How much of heat energy is rejected to the system? That is Q2. Okay, at the temperature is T2. So that means okay in the process of CD is called as isothermal compression. Isothermal compression. So in that isothermal compression, so then so heat energy it is rejected. Okay, that means some of the heat energy is given to the system, that is Q2. Okay, and at the temperature is T2. So so then the change in temperature is okay, that is for entropy S2 is equal to okay, here at the CD process that entropy is changes as Q2 by T2 according to definition. So next, so same like as okay, remaining is DA process. Okay, DA. So here DA. Okay, DA is the next process. This is the adiabatic compression. Okay, this process is adiabatic compression. So in that adiabatic compression, so here also there is no transformation of heat energy. Okay, but the temperature is changes to T2 to T1. T2 to T1, temperature is changes to T2 to T1. So then so the change in entropy, there is entropy is equal to 0 because at the adiabatic DA is the adiabatic process. That's why so the that is entropy is becomes 0. So from these okay, four concepts, that is AB, BC, CD, DA. So the change in entropy is becomes, that is okay, delta S is equal to that is okay Q1 by okay that is Q1 by T1 minus okay, there is change in temperature is Q2 by T2. So then so there is a entropy is becomes 0. Okay, that is this is the reversible process. That's why so there is no change in entropy. That's why this values become 0. That is Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2. So this is in this okay, in this reversible process here this is the reversible process because of here it is a isothermal expansion, then adiabatic expansion, then isothermal compression, adiabatic compression. So that means okay, overall the process is again it come to okay reversed. That's why it is a reversible process. So in this reversible process the entropies becomes 0. So that's why change in entropies becomes 0. So if, according to okay, we previously find out that S1 is okay, S1 is Q1 by T1. S1 is equal to Q1 by T1. S2 is equal to Q2 by T2. So then the change in entropies becomes, then the change in entropies becomes, that is okay, Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2. Okay, so that means here this is the one of the process. Okay, here one circle is completed. Similarly, so this is also T3 is also, this is the isothermal process. That's why here also same like as this is A, B, C, D. D, C, E, F. Okay. In the process of D, C, E, F. Suppose okay, it is the system is now it is Q2 temperature. Suppose okay, this temperature okay, it is this is Q2 heat energy. So then here also DC is the isothermal expansion. So here the heat energy Q2 is observed, Q2 is observed from the surroundings and at the temperature is T2. Then okay, this is also this is a C. Next this one is E. Okay, CE process. Okay, then in this circle CE process, this is also adiabatic expansion. So in this adiabatic expansion, there is no heat is transfer. So next, this one is next CD. EF. Okay, EF in this process. Okay, in this process, this is the adiabatic. Okay, this is the signal. Okay, it is high signal, amma. Okay. Listen here. Here, same like as here also, EF. Yeah. Hello, girls. Yes. You're disconnected, ma. Again, you will start. So here also same like this. Okay, here A, B, C, D, A. This is a reversible process. Similarly, here okay, Q1, T1 temperature. Q1 is heat energy. So the process is done. Okay, we showed that that is Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2. Similarly, so this is also here a D, C, E, F. Okay, this is also a reversible process. So in this process, this is the isothermal expansion, this is the adiabatic expansion, this is the isothermal compression, this is the adiabatic compression. So in this process also here, so the temperature okay, heat energy is okay, it is observed the heat energy Q2 at the temperature is T2. So in this process okay, there is entropy is change in entropy is 0. So here at this isothermal expansion, at this isothermal compression okay, here so temperature heat energy is rejected to the system Q3 and at the temperature is T3. Understood? So then remain next D E F FD. This is also adiabatic compression. So then overall there is also change in similarly in the okay in the reversible process D C E F D. So this is also a reversible process. So in this process same like as okay, here also we will show that. So we can show that that is Q2 by T2 is equal to Q3 by T3. So from this, so this is also entropy. Okay, there is change in entropy is equal to 0. Here also there is change in entropy is 0. So from this, okay, here Q2, okay, from this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So here Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2. Next, here Q2 by T2 is equal to Q3 by T3. From equation number 1 and 2, we can be said that, so that is Q1 by T1 is equal to Q2 by T2 is equal to Q3 by T3. Suppose if you are increasing the number of systems same like as isothermal and adiabatic process, then so there is a constant. Okay, so what constant, that is Q by T is a constant. Okay, Here q by t is nothing but entropy. Okay, q by t is nothing but entropy. So that means, okay, so entropy is the thermal, okay, entropy is the okay, that is the thermal property of the system. So the thermal property of the system, okay, here, so q by t, okay, q by t quantity of the system is remains constant in the adiabatic or okay, in a reversible process. So this is about entropy. Girls, understand? Hello? Girls, did you understand? Okay. I'll send the notes. I'll send the notes. So today topic is, did you understand, ma?